What I have in my hand? Okay, so one of you want it? Okay, now if I keep on shaking it, stop. Who wants it now? But যদি এই পেপসিটা আমরা এখন খুলি, what will happen if we open the Pepsi now? Right? Okay, now stop. What is this? So let me start shaking it. What will happen if I shake it? Nothing, huh? কিছু হবে? Can we open it now? So we can open. Take a sip. So the reason why I did that is to make you understand peace. Peace. Shanti, Shanti. We have the World Peace Day coming up, right? So peace is something which is in our inside. Kothay? Everyone in the world will try to shake us, will poke us, will disturb us, will tell us we are not good enough, we are not good looking enough, we are not tall enough, we are not this enough and that enough, and everyone would want to disturb our peace. But we have to be like water, that no matter আমাকে বাইরে থেকে কত শেক করে আমি এফেক্টেড হই না. Okay? So this is your first lesson of the day. In order to have peace inside of us, we need to become like a water. No matter how much people disturb us, no matter what they say about us, no matter all the lies or the rumors they make about us, no matter what the family, what the society, no matter what bad things happen with us, but we have to be like water. যতই আমাকে ঝাঁকানো হয় না কেন আমি রিঅ্যাক্ট করি না. Here the Pepsi would react from the inside. So it depends on me if I react or not. Do you understand?